Hey guys, hey TikTok. I wasn't really planning on making this video. I was hoping I wouldn't have to. Seemed like every day we were getting hope that TikTok wouldn't get banned and then losing it and getting hope and losing it. And it looks like it's officially gone. Now I know what a lot of you are thinking. You're Canadian. It's not going away for you. And to that I say I don't know fully because I'm out in the US a lot. I'm in California right now making music. So I don't know how it's going to affect me. When I'm back home, if I still have access to it, I will still be posting. So for those of you who are not American, I'm not going to go away. But if it doesn't work for me when I'm out here, unfortunately, I can't post. So I'm a little bit under the weather, by the way, which is why I sound like this. But I just want to say thank you. I wouldn't be where I am without you and without this app. So this is a little sentimental to me, and it means the world. And it's very sad to see it go, but hopefully it will come back. So for those of you who don't follow me on anything else, you can follow me on Instagram at Alex Sampson. It's just my name, and pretty much every other social media. YouTube Shorts, same, Alex Sampson. Watch my music videos. You can follow me on Spotify, Apple Music, whatever you listen to music on to keep up with my music. Snapchat, I'm on Snapchat too. Just search my name, I'll come up. And I'm on Red Note too, that new app that everyone's going to. It's also just my name. But I just want to say thank you for sticking around. And this will be one of my last videos. That's a sad thing to say, but I love you very much. I'm not done making music. I'm not done making content. This is just, I guess, the end of an era, one would say. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Follow me on everywhere else if you want to keep up with me. If you don't, it's okay. I'll only be just mildly offended. I love you, and goodbye for now.
Hi, Ben. So sad. I love you. Have a good day.
That's a goodbye video. In light of the news that the Supreme Court has chosen to uphold the bill that would ban TikTok, and while I still have a sliver of hope that there is some way that this incredible community and platform will still be available to people in the US, I don't want to take the opportunity to thank each and every one of you for granted while I still have it. To my followers, you are my community, you are my friends, and you have changed my life. I've been creating videos on this platform for over 5 years now, and every year I'm more honored and grateful that so many of you choose to interact with and support my content. When I started making videos on this platform, I was just 16 years old, I was homeschooled, and I had nearly no friends. I deeply craved a community of people I could relate to. I had no idea, like literally no idea, that I would find that through strangers on the internet. I just genuinely could have never imagined experiencing that connection I craved, those friendships, through each of you. Not only has your support given me opportunities I could have never imagined, your kindness has shaped my life in ways I never expected. I met all my most valued friends through this app. I met my boyfriend through this app. I've documented every major thing that has happened to me in my life over the past 5 years through this app. I can't highlight just how much each of you has impacted me. Whether you were aware of it, every time any of you interacted with my content, you directly impacted my life in ways that I could not have imagined, and I wish I had the words to fully express my gratitude. Thank you to each one of you that has ever liked my video. You made me feel seen. Thank you to each one of you that has ever chosen to comment something nice under one of my posts. You made me feel supported. Thank you, most of all, to each of you that have chosen to follow me. You made me feel so loved and understood. There's not a day that I wake up that goes by that I don't sit down and thank God for having the incredible opportunity to ever feel this overwhelming amount of love and support at least once in my life. No matter what the outcome of this app may be, I just want to take the time to sit down and tell you just how much you mean to me and how much I value your support. I'm honored to have ever had it. Of course, I will be on other social medias such as YouTube, Snapchat, and Instagram, but I recognize the likelihood of me losing most of you is very high. So, with that being said, I love you deeply. Thank you for being such a massive part of my life. I'm eternally grateful for each and every one of you. Goodbye.
My family is what I share on TikTok. I share our journey of going through foster care and through adoption and what it's like growing as a family from those experiences and sharing those online through TikTok. And the community that we've built has been able to let us know that just because we live in Oklahoma, this is not a flyover state when it comes to the internet. We can share these things through our community that we've built on TikTok. And so many other parents and so many other prospective parents and even students and kids that are going through the process of adoption or through foster care, they've learned that their experience isn't isolated, that they're not alone, that those feelings that they share, that they're not just to them, but that there's so many other people that feel the way that they do. And what I do is I encourage people through the hard times, through the hard things, the difficult things of going through adoption and being a family, how we can be better, how we can move with a little bit more grace. And it's caused such a great community to be birthed from that wouldn't be born anywhere else. I'm not popular enough. I'm not cute enough. I don't have the six-pack to attract a lot of eyes, but TikTok allowed the story to be the one that mattered. TikTok allowed our voice to matter because we don't have to be celebrities. We don't have to be super famous to have a voice and make it matter on TikTok.
We wanted to hop on here and say goodbye to all 14 million of you guys. This is hard because we have come such a long way since COVID.
2019.
A lot of you guys have joined us on this journey since then, and now we're forced to say goodbye. Dude, you're interrupting our video. He's giving Sky a kiss.
Oh my god, I gave her a kiss!
The whole world's watching you.
The whole world's watching you.
Look.
Look. Say hi. Say hi. He's a little shy.
Can you stop terrorizing the cast for 5 seconds?
Say hi. Okay, never mind.
Bye. We wanted to also thank you guys for always supporting us throughout this entire journey, and I don't think we could have been here without you guys. It's very emotional for us to just close this chapter and move on. We're really gonna miss you guys, and honestly, I don't think we can get very far without you. Thank you guys for everything. I hope you guys will stay, and if not, then
It was fun while it lasted.
yeah, or follow us on our other platforms. Can you say goodbye? Okay, here he is stealing the show again. Chase,
Chase, say goodbye.
say goodbye to all of our followers.
Say goodbye. Chase, say goodbye.
Oh, I don't think he wants to. He's quite sad.
Aww.
I know. We're all sad. Don't worry, Chase. They'll bring TikTok back, okay? They will.
Good things come to an end all the time, but this one feels different. This wasn't just a place, it was a feeling. A corner of the world where loneliness didn't feel so lonely. I could be myself here without apologies, without masks, and somehow strangers became friends. Through videos on a screen, through stories we shared without ever meeting. It made me happy. It made me feel safe, gave me a reason to speak, even when the silence felt easier. And now it's ending, like all good things do. But I'll carry it with me. The laughter, the tears, the connection I never thought I'd find. Because goodbye doesn't erase what it was. It only means I have to let go. Good things come to an end all the time. But this one will stay with me.
I don't know if you guys know who we are. Probably not. If you're one of the 3.5 million people that follow us here on TikTok, you guys are our family. Thank you so much for literally everything. Never thought we'd sing in our room, high notes, harmonies, Indian solfege and get billions of views. And being able to write songs and you guys relating to them means the world to us. Honestly hurts to say goodbye, but we're not going anywhere. We're on YouTube, Snapchat, IG, at KaranaNivi, same username. We don't want to lose you all, so please continue to follow us over there. Guys, is this it? Bye, guys. Goodbye.
I want to go first. No, I do. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Hey, what up, bro? It's your boy Michael here. Ah, shit, type shit. You're gonna miss me, huh? Yeah. No, but for real, take care. And bye TikTok. This feels like a heartbreak. Oh my god. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Who's cutting onions? Oh my god. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Is this really the end? I hope not. But anyways, bye TikTok. Hey, where my hug at? Bye TikTok. Hold on, I'll call you back. This is more important. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Something got in my eye. I'm not crying. Bye TikTok. Mwah. Boys can cry too. Hey bro, wanna play Fortnite? Type shit. Bye TikTok. What app am I gonna use now when I feel pretty? Where am I gonna lip sync to? Anyways, bye TikTok. This has to be a dream, right? This app can't go away. Ugh. Bye TikTok. Bro, hold on. I need to post my first track. Oh shit. Bye TikTok. Give me a hug, bro. I can't say it. And I'm stuck in the shadows, Hi TikTok. Hold on, give me a second. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'm gonna miss every TikTokian in here. To the TikTok community I have built on here, I just wanna say thank you for supporting me on this journey. I'm gonna miss y'all so much, and I wish I could hug each and every one of you. Miss Justin, I can't do this. I know, you got this. Whoever's watching this and if TikTok does go away, I'll get you all of your dreams and goals in life. And always remember, don't stop until you're proud. You'll always have a special place in my heart. Okay, bye guys. Mwah. Olivia, you're forgetting one more thing. Oh, how about that? Hi TikTok, Miss Johnson here. It was an honor sharing my classroom with you guys. Good luck in life and goodbye for now. Until next time, right? How about that? Mwah.
Goodbye.
Well, guys, this might be it. It might be the end of an era. If TikTok gets taken down this Sunday, I want to say first and foremost, thank you to every single person who found me and my comedy over these past couple years and changed my life forever. Thank you. I had so much fun with you guys. You made all of this so worth it. All the hard work, the traveling, the touring, the performances, the editing, the posting, all of it. You made it so worth it. You guys have been awesome. And I love you to death. And I hope you continue to follow me on my other platforms, especially Instagram. I post far more consistently on there. I stopped posting on this app regularly like 9 months ago. It just hasn't been the same. This app served an amazing purpose, and we were able to spread joy and laughter and happiness and provide a lot of good distractions in a lot of people's hectic lives. And it's been an awesome experience. But unfortunately, like all good things, I think a lot of shitty people ruined it. Shout out to everybody who hated for no reason. Eat my asshole. Thanks for spreading lies and negativity on this platform for your own personal views and clout. It's pretty fucking disgusting, and you're the problem with the world. But you know what? We had a good time. Overall, we were able to spread joy and laughter, and that's what it's all about, man. I'm gonna miss TikTok. No, I'm not. That's a lie. I think the fewer social media platforms, the better for all of humanity. But I'm thankful. I'm very thankful. And we had a good run. It's been fun. So make sure you guys follow me on my other platforms. Come see me on tour. We have a brand new tour this year. Starts in March. You can find all the info on my website. And the live shows, by the way, 1,000 times better than any clip you've ever seen. Like that, the energy you feel at these shows and the laughter we have in those rooms are irreplaceable. And the clips really do them no justice. So come see me live. Let's continue to share some moments. Thank you for your love. Thank you for support. Thank you for your hate. And yeah, I'll be seeing you.
So guys, this might be my last video, and if it is, and I can't make a video tomorrow and I can't access my account again, I truly just want to say thank you. I know that it's just a social media app, but for me it was always more. It was never about the following or about being TikTok famous or a content creator. I moved over to America and knew absolutely no one, and then I got a little following and I built a community. And I know you lots will message me and say I helped your mental health, but honestly you helped mine, because being alone here was really hard. To all my American followers, I'm so sorry, like I'm not American, but I do live here and the land of the free, feels like I can't believe I'm in 2025. I do have Instagram, and the link is in my bio, the hearts are one, if people want to continue to follow us. But ultimately, we don't know what this looks like, and everything that I think we all think we know and thought we know, it's turning out we don't. So tomorrow, all access could be gone from our accounts, and I won't be able to access it in England as it's an American account. So 2.5 years of hard work, of community, will just be taken away from me and many other people. But again guys, if this is the last video I can make on TikTok, I really want to say thank you.
So this is officially our last TikTok video, and we just wanted to say thank you.
You guys have been a part of our lives for the last 5 years, and it's truly been an amazing journey.
Thank you guys for changing our lives and allowing us to make you laugh over these last few years.
We just hit 30 million followers a few days ago.
And this was supposed to be our celebration video, but instead we're saying goodbye.
But if you guys want to continue to laugh with us,
you'll know where to find us. For old time's sake, let's give the fans what they want one last time.
Coffee.
Goodbye, everyone.
Wait, there's an update! The update says that it still might get banned.
Remember, Mangomin.
Remember, you stuck with me all your life.
Cancel talk, cancel, and need to.
Hey! Hey! Hey, what about me? Dad!
Hey TikTok, it's Nick, and I just wanted to say thank you. If you're seeing this video right now, it probably means you've seen one of my videos in the past, and I just wanted to tell you myself how grateful I am that you've given me an opportunity to make a career out of this. It all started with me making this chocolate bar completely from scratch. And then I started doing crazy stunts like cooking with a whole tuna or an entire wheel of Parmesan cheese. Then of course, I'm sure you all saw lots and lots of Wagyu, and eventually I met one of the coolest people ever, Linja. And together we went on to do tons of food-related Guinness World Records, and that somehow led to me being able to cook with a bunch of different celebrities. And now, here we are. You might have noticed that I don't post here that much anymore, and that's because I've been spending most of my time over on YT, so I'd love to see you over there. And regardless of what happens here, it's been a lot of fun. Thanks for the memories.
Seems day by day it's more convincing that TikTok is getting shut down, so I want to say thank you to everyone who's followed me, or if I just showed up on your For You page. Go check me out on this guy, just official Jaden Williams, or our podcast channel, or the gaming streaming channel. Outside of that, thank you for just all the support that you've given me. And if it weren't for this platform, none of this would have been even possible for me. It's crazy to think that I am just now letting go of the very thing that let all of this happen. And again, I hope we stay in touch, and please, if you do go anywhere else, comment wherever and say that this is the video that made you go to the other ones or whatever. Alright, thank you guys, and thank you TikTok. Goodbye.
Today we're making nothing, and it takes 0 ingredients because this could be my last TikTok video I ever make on this app, and we might not see each other anymore. This journey started like 5 years ago when I uploaded my 3rd video ever on this app, and it went completely viral.
I make shit look easy, but they don't know what it takes.
And because of that video, I'm lucky that I get to do this as a full-time job. All thanks to TikTok. They democratized content. It didn't matter who you were. It didn't matter how many followers you had. The best content won. Anyone could go viral. And we all took on that opportunity and showed the most creative side of ourselves. We weren't shy anymore. We were just expressive, and we were just so happy to have an app that kind of understood us, you know? And that's all being taken away tomorrow. And it sucks that I'm gonna lose 4.1 million of you guys. I mean, you've made my dreams come true, and none of this would be possible without you guys. And yeah, this is the end, and nothing we can do about it but just hope that something changes and we get to keep this app. But till then, I'll see you guys on the internet.
I can't believe I'm saying this to y'all. The last time I'm gonna say, sure. If really TikTok get banned, I'ma miss y'all. I love y'all. Thank you for all the support. You really changed my life from A to Z. I want to give thanks to Allah before everybody, and thanks to all my fans. Thanks to the app, TikTok, that really made a whole family change, made new friends, made your friends as families. Without TikTok, we would never get to meet 90% of my friends that you see, all my creators that be all around with me. One is right here. You got number 2. You got Faruqi, the funny guy. You got more. You got all my team from social media. I really love you, TikTok. Thank you for the owner of the TikTok. I really appreciate you for bringing this app and show the world we all could get together. And one thing I want to tell you, make sure y'all go follow me on all my other accounts. And one more time is sure. TikTok don't go nowhere. Never.
Thanks for the memories, TikTok. It was fun while it lasted.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
Such a bitch.
Legends never die.
This is my last TikTok video, and I honestly can't believe that it's actually getting banned. The amount of laughs, joy, and memories I got from this app are unreal. Not only were there funny videos, but I think the comment section is what made the videos 10 times funnier. I just want to say thank you to everyone who followed me on this app. 12 million followers on TikTok. Like, that is actually mind-blowing. It's cool because YouTube is my main platform, and when TikTok came out, I felt like I had to download it because it was that new app that was out. But I didn't think I was going to get as addicted as I was, and it felt like, you know, another way of expressing myself through content aside from YouTube. And I honestly discovered so many people through TikTok. I had so many laughs, so many memories. So once again, thank you for all the support on here. If you discovered me through TikTok, I'm still going to be posting on YouTube. If you guys want to subscribe, the channel name is FaZe Rug. And if you already knew me and you just followed me on TikTok for my TikTok content, I'll still see you guys on YouTube. You guys can follow my other platforms too, like Instagram. I was gonna say TikTok. Dude, this is crazy. Like, it doesn't seem like this is real. Let me know if you guys think this ban is gonna be a forever thing, or if you think it's gonna be temporary, if you think it's gonna come back soon. I'm very hopeful that it's gonna come back in the next week or 2. But yeah, love you guys, and it was an amazing last 6 years on here. Hope to see you guys soon.
All right, guys, this is it. This is the end. I just wanted to say thank you for being here and following me and listening to my music. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to miss you. If you want to keep in touch, follow me on Instagram at SadGirlSloan. I'm going to miss you guys. Bye.
In case I don't see ya.
It has been such a thrill to connect with so many of you via TikTok. Many of you have put your faith in Christ for the first time, and many others have recommitted your life to Christ. Keep going with Jesus. I cannot thank Stuart enough for all the work he has put into crafting and putting together these recordings for TikTok.
Family, continue to be part of hopefully what we're doing here, so you can follow on IG, Stuart_Connectly, or YT, Give Me an Answer with Stuart and Cliff Connectly for full episodes. We don't want to lose you. Let's continue together. Looking forward to it. Take care.
Okay, my apartment started this dream for me, and I guess we'll finish on it. I'm crying in my soul.
I can't even look at y'all, but oh my god.
I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support y'all have given me for these past few years. You guys have literally been supporting me since I was like, since I started I started in my COVID era. So that was what, 2019.